welcome to Storytime with Krisha. I'm Krisha and I'm so glad you're here. Before I share this amazing story with you, please hit the subscribe button so you can read more stories with me. The story I can't wait to share with you is called Peppa's Rainbow, a Peppa Pig book. A scholastic book. Peppa's Rainbow, adapted by M. Loon. Peppa and her family are going to the mountains. Let's play a game, says Daddy Pig. We each have to spot a car of our favorite color. Yes, Peppa and George cheer. This will be fun. Let's see which color car comes along first, says Daddy Pig. Peppa is excited. Her favorite color is red. Beep, beep. Peppa and her family see a green car. Green is my favorite color, says Daddy Pig. I win. Next, Peppa and her family see Danny and Granddad Dog in an orange tow truck. Orange is my favorite color, says Mummy Pig. I win. The next color car is blue. Blue is George's favorite color. Yes, George, says Daddy Pig. It's a blue car, so you win.
Peppa is disappointed. There isn't a red car anywhere, she says.
Daddy Pig gets an idea. What color is our car? He asks. Peppa thinks about it.
It's red, she says. I win!
Peppa and her family arrive at the top of the mountains, but it started to rain. The best thing to eat in rainy weather is ice cream. Thankfully, Miss Rabbit's ice cream car isn't far. 4 ice creams, please, says Daddy Pig. He chooses mint, orange, strawberry, and blueberry flavors.
Ice cream,
cheers Peppa. And look, says Mummy Pig, they're our favorite colors. Mint is green for Daddy Pig. Orange is orange for Mummy Pig. Strawberry is red for Peppa. And blueberry is blue for George. Soon, the sun appears, and something else too. A rainbow! A rainbow comes out only when it's raining and sunny at the same time. That is because the light from the sun shines through the water of the rain. It's got all of our favorite colors in it, says Mummy Pig. The rainbow is the color red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Mummy Pig says that sometimes you find treasure at the end of the rainbow.
Let's go,
Peppa shouts. Mummy Pig drives to the edge of a mountain, but when they arrive, it stopped raining, and the rainbow is gone.
Wah!
George cries. Don't worry, George, says Mummy Pig. Maybe the rainbow has left some treasure behind.
There's something over there,
Daddy Pig says. It's a big muddy puddle. Muddy puddles are made when the ground gets wet.
This is the best rainbow treasure ever,
says Peppa. Peppa loves rainbows. Everyone loves rainbows. That's the end. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy.